Forehead lift. Introduction. Smoking makes the skin age faster. Select true or false. Correct. A forehead lift can soften facial lines and raise the eyebrows. Select true or false. Correct. A forehead lift may be done with local or general anesthesia. Select true or false. Correct. During the forehead lift, you may be awake. Local anesthesia and medicine will help you relax and not feel pain. Sometimes the surgeon will use general anesthesia instead, so you will not be awake during the procedure. Which of these problems may happen after a forehead lift? Choose one of the following options. 1. Swelling and bruising for several weeks. 2. Infection. 3. Bleeding. 4. All of these. Correct. You should sit up instead of laying down as much as possible to reduce swelling. Select true or false. Correct. Thank you for using Explain.